Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and I'm actually pretty hyped for this video because you can't find this thing anywhere. But I finally found it. I got the leather cover here for the Galaxy Z Flip in white. You can't find the black one, but you can't find the white anywhere. And I actually found it at a good price. 50 bucks on eBay when it retails for like 80 bucks. So we're gonna go and check this thing out, see what's up with it, and we're gonna go and compare it to the black leather cover here for the Galaxy Z Flip. So let's get into it. Alright y'all, so we're back here again at the legendary unboxing table, ready to unbox one of the cleanest cases I've ever seen. And man, I don't think I've been so hyped for a case before in a little bit now. Probably not since I got this Galaxy Fold leather cover here, which was like a year ago or something like that. But we got the leather cover here for the Galaxy Z Flip, and I don't understand Samsung, man. Here's the thing, so you can't find this thing nowhere because basically when Samsung released these Z Flips or Z Folds or Galaxy Folds or whatever it is, they come out with a white version and they come out with a black version or whatever else they come out with. They have both colors and then they discontinue the good color like a few months later. Like, I don't understand it. Like, this is a good color. Like, I'm feeling this the most, especially with my purple Galaxy Z Flip right here. It's the same story with the Galaxy Fold. Like, I can't find this nowhere, like nowhere at all. And I've been looking all over the internet, and man, I wish I had it because it would hit different with my silver Galaxy Fold that y'all see right here. Man, that would hit. I mean, don't get me wrong, this black hits too, but y'all know what I'm saying. Like, I would prefer having this. Anyway, just looking around here real quick, we got the Samsung logo, we got leather cover, and then we got Galaxy Z Flip. So it works with the Z Flip and the Z Flip 5G because they're the same phone. And I didn't even tell y'all this, but I'm getting the Galaxy Z Flip 5G soon. So I will actually be using this case right here and putting that on the 5G. But on the back here, we just got some info about the case, and I want you to ignore one line here, and that says remove the cover for optimal wireless PowerShare results. That's not necessary at all, and it might actually make your wireless PowerShare better because it has some grip on your phone, and this Galaxy Z Flip is slippery, man. Like, you can't do nothing with it. So I would say if you're gonna use wireless PowerShare, put the case on there because it don't make no difference. But alright y'all, let's go and bust this thing open. It was a little hard to start getting this thing open, but we got it here, as you can see. And that is our case. So this is the genuine Samsung case. And as you can see here on the inside, we actually have all of this adhesive right here. So that's how it actually sticks to the phone. And it's the same thing right here at the back part. So we have a QR code. We can just go and peel that off. And you can actually see here inside, it says Samsung Galaxy Z Flip made in China. Ooh, I don't know. So it says made in China, which kind of rubs you the wrong way because this is an expensive case. It's 80 bucks, even though I got it for like 50. But made in China just don't rub you the right way because everything in China is cheap. But yeah, just looking around this thing, it is a nice looking case. Obviously you have your cutout here for the camera and your screen there on the front. But let's go ahead and take off this black leather cover here and let's go ahead and exchange it out for this white one. Woo, man, that Galaxy Z Flip is beautiful, man. I love that color so much. I can't get over it. Now let's go and slap our gray leather cover on this thing. Oh, it's already looking clean. So let's just go ahead and align it up right there. And that is pretty much good. So let's go and throw the top on there. It's a really easy installation. All you gotta do is just align it there with the top, and just like that, that's our Galaxy Z Flip. So now that I got this on, the black leather color really ain't look that bad on this purple Galaxy Z Flip, but this white look dope too. Gotta do the smell test. We gotta do it. Woo! Yeah, that's it. That's that leather right there. So like I said earlier, you do have your cutout here for the actual screen, and then you have the cutout here for your camera, flash, all that stuff. If you look here at the hinge, there's really no protection right here. And if you look here on the side, there's all the cutouts here for both of these buttons. At the bottom here, we do have a cutout here for the speaker and the USB-C port and the microphone. At the top, we have a cutout here for the microphone. And when you look here on the back, you can actually see this a little bit here, so you can see a little bit of the back of the phone. But yeah, this case is going to provide you some protection. So this only has a little bit of a camera bump, but it is protecting it here with this case. But that's what the gray looks like, and this is what it looks like up here next to the black. So this is the same exact one that you find on the Galaxy Z Flip. It's still Samsung. As you can see there, we got the Samsung logo on both of these, but both of them are looking clean, man. What do y'all think? What do y'all prefer? But now all we gotta do is the wireless charger test. So we got our Nomad Charger Mini here. Let's go and throw that on there. And it is charging here, as you can see. And now let's go and do the wireless PowerShare. All right, so we about to go and do the wireless PowerShare. It says right there, ready to charge. So let's go ahead and try this out. We got an iPhone XS right here. And as you can see, charging just like that, no issues. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. But go and follow me on my social media, EddieSantech on Instagram and Twitter, and Facebook, but Instagram and Twitter is I'm most active. But yeah, like I said, this case is dope. I'm really feeling it still. Like, this white still looks nice on here, but we'll see if I get used to it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and peace out.